Macy here. Welcome to my Admob Unity Android tutorial. You can watch the iOS version here. And the steps for setting up Android Admob on Unity is very similar to the iOS. We are going to use the existing Unity plugins created by Google for this tutorial. So now I am on the Admob Unity plugin Git repository. I will share the link at the description down below. On the page, it tells you all the documentations of how to actually implement the plugin. So let's just clone it. Let's open terminal. Just go to the folder you would like to put your projects. I usually put in my project folder. Projects, yeah. And then here is git clone and just paste the git path we have copied. Just enter. So now the project is downloaded. It's very quick. So now let's open our project in Unity. Open Unity. File. Open project. Let's go find the project here. So click open other. Because I've previously opened some other project before, I need to find the folder I have saved my example. So here I'm going to project. I remember it was called Google something. So samples. This is the one. Unity samples. This folder you could open Hello World and just open this up. First, we need to look into the Android manifest. In most cases, we need to modify our existing Android manifest file. However, this one is just an example that's being created by the sample project. Let's go to the Admob Android side to see what do we need to change on our existing Android manifest. First, we need to add a metadata tag which allows the Google Play services to run. And then second, we need to clear the add activities in order to give this activity the permission to run. The third thing we need to add is to make sure our manifest has internet connection access. There's another one, it's access network states. However, this one is optional. Go back to the Unity project. Besides this, we also need to including the Google Play services libraries with this project. Let's just open the folder of the existing Android plugins. Then just open a new window. Let's just go to find where our Android SDK is being installed. I installed in a SDK folder. So we just need to go to the extras in Google folder, Google Play Services. We just need to include this library folder into our existing project. Let's just copy and then paste. Here we go. We need to actually build the jar file from the source we downloaded from the GitHub. Now I am in Eclipse. Just right click, import, then choose Android, existing Android code into workspace. Click next, then browse to our Unity example we downloaded. So here was Google Leads mobile plugins. Then go click on Unity, click on source, click on plugin libraries. So here is the jar file we need to build. So let's click open. Then it will show us we need to import the add activity. To click on finish. I also opened the Google Play Services library. So how I did it, just click import and then existing Android code into workspace and click next, and we need to browse to where I put the SDK. Let's click on SDK, Android SDK Mac, and in the extras, Google Play Services, lib project, then click open. But see here, I already imported the same project. It wouldn't let me do it. However, if you have not have this project imported, it will actually allow you to import the whole project. Right click on the add activity project, click on property. So see here, I have linked the Google Play Services library, which is this one, as a library project. You can click add to add other project to this project as a reference, and make sure you check is library, and this way all the source code will be generated into your jar file. Just press OK, and for me, I have the project built automatically, so just click project and I have this being selected. So what we need to get is in the add activity project, in the bin folder, we'll find a add activity jar file. What we need to do is just right click on the jar file, just copy and paste it in the Unity project. So here is my directory, move the Unity, sample, hello world, and assets, plugins, Android. You remember we imported a Google Play Services library project into the plugin folder, and click on the libs folder and just paste the activity jar here. Let's go back to Unity. So now we have this jar added to this project. Let's go to assets folder, click on the main scene, click on the main camera. We will see there is Google Mobile Ads demo script being attached to it. If you're missing the references, just click on the little circle and then find the script and make sure it's attached correctly. And let's click the little wheel and click add script. Here we need to add our Android Admob ID to our script to make sure it's loading our ads. Let's go to Admob. I have the monetization have been set up. So let's monetize new app by click plus new app and just click add your app manually or search for existing app. So for the testing purposes, we're just gonna click add app manually. So let's do Android Admob test. Let's select the Android and then just click add app, and let's just add a banner. So call it banner, save, then create another ad banner. So interstitial, let's just call it full screen. Just save, it's done. So the Android test, let's first copy the banner, add union ID. Let's go back to the editor. In the request banner function, we just need to replace the Unity Android add union ID and then save it. And let's go back to copy the interstitial Android Admob union ID and paste it at the request interstitial add union ID for Android. Save. Let's open build settings. In the player settings, we need to make sure our bundle identifier is unique. COM company name, product name. Just need to click build and run, and also make sure our Android phone is turned on debug mode and connected with a cable. So let's just click build and run and save it as any APK name you prefer and press save. I have my Android app running on my Android phone. Let's just test it out. Just press request banner and see. The banner is now showing. First, let's hide banner. Let's just request, choose the show. It usually takes a little while to load everything. Now it's showing. Cool, everything works. Hopefully at this point you'll have Admob running on your iOS and Android again. I'm going to Google I/O at the end of June. Hopefully I will see you guys there. Bye.